Hello, and here you are again for more Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that is probably not well known at all, but is super cool. So I'm glad you're here. And that is closed captions. So in last episode, I mentioned how you can use the Creator Studio to generate SRT files, which are the files needed for closed captions. And if you didn't know you could do that, and if you didn't listen to the last episode, go check that episode out and go give it a try because it is actually a really cool feature. The Creator Studio is this really big space in Kajabi that does a lot of stuff, but the SRT files are pretty awesome. And the SRT file is basically just a plain text document that has time, the time like this many seconds to this many seconds, and then words underneath. And closed caption systems will read through that, and that in between those times, in between those times, the words will pop up on the screen. But this is how you do it in Kajabi. With your SRT file, you can go into your course, and then you go into your lesson. And in the lesson area where you can edit your lesson, there's a little black text under the bottom, the right-hand bottom corner of your video, on the left-hand bottom corner of your video. And it says video actions. You click on that, and then there is closed captions. Click on the closed captions, and then a thing pops up, and you can upload your SRT file. And it's that easy. Save, and you're good. Then people can turn on closed captions to watch that from your videos, which a lot of people like to do. So this will, be good. This is something that you can do. That's good. In that same space where you go to video actions and go to closed captions, if you haven't already done this, you can hit the pencil and you can see your closed caption file. And you can go in there and fix any spelling mistakes, which I recommend if you're using words like Kajabi or your name or something where, the AI transcription might not be so great. And you can delete words like that or things that you don't want in there. So that's how you do that. Now, something that's super cool that probably a lot of people don't know about Kajabi is once you've got closed captions, you can actually search through your video with those closed captions. And so to see this in action, once you've loaded it up, hit save and hit preview of that lesson. And then you don't even have to start playing your video, but you can if you want. Pause it, go to closed captions, and you can turn them on or off. But there's a third thing that says search closed caption. And that's where it's super cool. So you hit the search button, and then the script of the video just kind of overlays the thing, and there's a search bar, and you can just type in a word. And then all of the instances of you using that word in Kajabi, or in that video, pardon me, are highlighted. And if you click on it, then like one of the highlighted words, then the video jumps to that spot where you are saying it. And so that's like really helpful if someone is trying to find a specific thing that they remember hearing in your video. So a great reason in and of itself to use the closed captions. And there are lots of different ways to create SRT files. So you don't have to use the Creator Studio. You don't get unlimited use of that for projects each month. And so, but the internet will solve your problems when it comes to creating SRT files. There are lots of ways. So that is Kajabi closed captions in a nutshell. And I encourage you to try it out and to throw those onto your videos and see if you get any feedback about people using them.